Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 1st October 2020. Sweet children, you have to become deities, so renounce the defects of Maya. To get angry, to beat someone, to harass someone, to perform bad acts, to steal are all great sins. Question: which children can go ahead fast in this knowledge? Which ones experience a loss? Answer: those who know how to keep their accounts can go ahead very fast in this knowledge. It is those who don't remain soul conscious who experience a loss. Baba says businessmen have the habit of keeping their accounts, therefore, here too they can go ahead very fast. Essence for Dharna, first point: check yourself and imbibe divine virtues. Remove all bad habits. Promise Baba, Baba, I will never perform any bad acts. Second point: in order to attain the Karmatit stage, raise in remembrance. Remain present on spiritual service. Have regard for your seniors. Blessing: may you be a constantly great donor and use all your treasures for yourself and others. The Father's Bhandara, that is, kitchen treasure store, functions every day and He distributes every day. In the same way, may you continue to give constantly because you have an overflowing treasure of knowledge, power, and happiness. There is no danger in keeping these with you and using them. When this treasure store is open, thieves will not come. If you keep it closed, thieves will come, and so look again and again at the treasures you have received and use them for yourself and others, and you will become a constantly great donor. Slogan: churn whatever you have heard, because it is only by churning that you will become powerful. Om Shanti.